How to manually add an order in Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, we want to go to sales, hover over sales, and then choose this option for orders. Now it's gonna look like this, and we can add a new order by clicking on this blue button in the top right corner. Now this will load a new page like this, new orders, take orders manually over the phone or in person, and we can either add a custom item here or we can add an item from our product list on Wix. If we click on it, it will load up the product and we can just choose the product which we have sold as an example here. So I'm going to do this one, and we can also select the cover here and we are going to add this to the order. Now it's gonna look like this. It will calculate it as well as show the tax, and we can type out the customer's info here. So if you have their email address, you will just add their email address right here, and we can edit the customer here. So we can type out their whole address. Labels, we can add labels here, and we can also assign them to different people, but basically the email is important, the address is important, and their name here so they can receive their product. Now we can also add a discount here if we want to discount it, and we can also add a delivery method. So for example, standard shipping, we can let them pick this up, and that's how you do it. After you have typed out this information here, you will click on create order, and this will create an order for your Wix products. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.